I just want all the rest before I to come from. Don't be shy. Let's do this together. So we know the good from Mama Titi. Chop around, chop around, chop around, chop around. I just want to tell you a story. Okay. Now you got everybody raise your hands that we here. You guys on my WhatsApp and all that. This is my story. I had this amazing guy. I don't know if it's a ghost account or what. He just came into my account and he started mesmerizing me with beautiful lyrics like, I love you so much. My God wants to be with you. My need you. I just want to marry you. My just want. You know, they were terrible. For the loving, he was incredible. The way he came to me, I fell in love. But you know what? He then told me to deposit some money in his account. Because he wanted to do some business for the couple, for the marriage. So I just deposited $1,500 into the account because my love is the guy, right? But you know what? After depositing the money, the guy went and I never saw him again. But you know what? My lyrics don't care about the money. That guy has lyrics. The lyrics were amazing. So I wrote the guy a song.